What's up, guys? It's been a long day and we came to KFC for some dinner. And by the way, my sister over here, she got pink hair. And I'm gonna get a haircut in December, so it's plenty of haircut, bro. My dad went to order some KFC. Yo, and actually look at that. So my dad is right there. This is someone right there. He's actually. So my dad is right there. He's ordering some food.
My dad.
So what are you gonna eat?
Chicken for a bucket like that one.
Chicken bucket? Yeah, you're gonna finish it by yourself, bro.
Yes, I was eating mom.
So guys, you should visit KFC. It's right here at the Shell petrol station. Bro, aku na Mountain Dew gini.
Papa, give me my mountain.
And that's cold.
No, mine. Mine. Oh.
So guys, I got some Mountain Dew. Mountain Dew is good, Mom. Let me open that.
You can't.
I'm strong. So it's actually at the Shell petrol station right here, at the road of going Nyali. At the road of going Nyali. So when you're going Nyali, there's a petrol station, and you'll see a KFC. So that's where you're gonna get your KFC. You can stay outdoors, you can stay indoors in the sofa. There's a bunch of seats. I need a stand. Now, how is it gonna stand? Huh? Hopefully it doesn't fall. Oh, let me try. That's what I need. I knew it. I think I'm good by holding myself. Yo, and you can get some ice cream. But it's so cold right now. So this month, if you're in Mombasa, you'll experience heat. It's hot. And we have to put fan number 2 because of the heat. Oh, my dad wants to get some food. I think he got the number.
What?
Wait, there's a code. So this is a code right here. Get instant airtime on cash. Bro.
No, Papu.
So there's a matatu called SpongeBob which passed. If you're in Mombasa and you've seen a lot of buses, there's a lot of buses. There's Lords, there's Wakanda Forever, and yo, look at the matatu. Nah, those matatas are so sick. Where was I?
Sprite.
Bro. So if you're in Mombasa and you've seen a lot of buses, you've seen a lot of buses like SpongeBob, which SpongeBob is actually blowing a balloon or like a chewing gum bubble behind the bus. And there's a Madagascar one. Madagascar one, it's King Julian is drawn at the back. And then Wakanda Forever, it's the Blacklist. So Blacklist has a Wakanda Forever. And bro, Blacklist has extreme music, just like SpongeBob. Oh, and I forgot something. Thanks y'all for making my video get 600 views. I already drink one sip. I drink one sip, then I give her.
Why you are eating? What you thinking? So who will eat this?
She will eat full, she will drink full soda, then chips cuckoo will is come. Uncle.
Papa.
Let me try some man today.
Mama. We shall.
Yeah. Bro, let me drink. So cold. So this is our soda.
How many baby teachers got?
Number 105. My first time eating KFC in Mombasa. I've been eating daily. I've been eating
Since when?
2024. July 2024.
Papa. Papa soda. Who dare you eat it?
I'm not eating.
Take out it.
Yo, our food. Yo, I can't wait. They're coming. Bro.
Khale, dono jam khale.
Oh, let me try the fries. One thing is true. KFC fries are better than McDonald's fries. Alright, I'm gonna cut for now because I'm gonna eat. Alright?